Meow. Meow. Kitty belly up. Would you touch that belly? I'm just getting that kind of twisted shape of the shoulders and neck. And I'm going double speed here. The video is going double speed, I should say. Just getting the general shapes in. I learned so much from these quick little gesture drawings. Make myself move fairly quickly. I mean, I have sped up the video to double speed, but I'm still moving fairly quickly, not stopping to think about details, just getting the general shapes in. And that's the way I find I keep the life and expression in a drawing. Keep the lines fluid. Keep everything flowing together. Because there's lots of energy in a kitty that's in this position, as I'm sure you know. I kind of allowed that top paw to go out of the picture accidentally. But we got what's important. You're welcome to check out our Cat Drawing Art Workshop Facebook group. You'll find the link for that in the video description below, plus some other handy cat drawing links too. We'd love to have you join us if you love drawing cats. And drop me a comment. Let me know what you want to learn about cat drawing. And I'll do my best to get it on here. Or just tell me what your cat's name is. Tell me about your cat. Or where you live in the world. I'd love to hear from you. I like the shape of the eyes I created. See, once I got a lot of lines down, I choose the ones that are important and I darken them up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit subscribe, hit the little bell so you don't miss a video. We'd love to have you help us build our community of crazy cat artists. Just go over those cheeks to make sure they look like pudgy cheeks. We'll just add some finishing touches here. And going easy on it. Less is more. Think about what the important lines are. I don't want to confuse the viewer's eye with too many details. I'm aiming for character and soul. And you can take a little drawing like this in many, many directions. It can be your preliminary sketch for a finished drawing, a more finished drawing, because who's to say that a sketch isn't finished? Sometimes sketches are the most beautiful pieces of art. They have that spontaneity, the raw authenticity, the human aspect, the relationship of the human and the subject. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.